Good morning, second graders.
Good morning.
Today we're going to be learning about even and odd numbers. This is our first lesson of our unit, and the rest of the week we'll be going through even and odd numbers, and then on the last day we'll do a little game with even and odd numbers. So today our targets are, I will be able to know if a group of numbers is either even or odd. Can you repeat that back to me?
I'll be able to know if a group of numbers is even or odd.
And then also, I will be able to identify why a number is odd or even depending on the last number.
I will be able to identify why a number is odd or even depending on the last number.
Awesome. So, can you discuss with your partner what an even and odd number is?
I would say an even and odd number is, odds are 3, 5, 7, and 9, and evens are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay, can anyone tell me what an even or odd number is? Anna?
An even number is numbers like that end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8.
Hmm?
And an odd number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9.
Wow, good job. Well, to help us work with that, so even numbers do end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, just like Anna said, and even or odd numbers do end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, just like she said as well. But to help with that, our student-friendly definition of even and odd numbers are that even numbers can be paired up exactly and odd numbers can't. So, to give you an example, so with these pencils, how about I say the number 4? So I have 4 pencils, and there's 2 pair. So there's 1 pair and 2 pair, and so that's why it's even, because there's an even amount of pairs. There's none left over. But if I have 5, I have 1 pair, 2 pair, and then I have 1 left over. So odd numbers always have 1 left over. Okay? So I'll hand you these right there. And so I'm going to hand you a number. How about a 7? Let me see what you can do with that. Tell me if it's an even or odd number.
It's an odd number.
Why?
Because there's a leftover little guy. So there's 3 pairs of 2s, and then there's 1 little one left over.
Awesome job. How about, since you're so good at this, I'll give you a bigger number. How about 10?
10 is an even number because it has 5 groups of 2.
So it has a 1 in it and a 0 in it. Why isn't it odd? Because it has a 1 in it.
Because a 10 ends in a 0, and a 0 is even. So whatever it ends in is what matters.
Ooh, great job. You're such a smart second grader. Okay, so now I'm going to have you guys come up and write numbers under odd or even. So, come pick a card. What'd you get?
6.
Is it even or odd?
Do you want me to write the number?
Yes. 6 is even. Why?
Because there's 3 groups of 2, or 3 groups of 2. Yeah. So there's pairs.
So there's none left over.
Yeah.
Okay, how about choose another one?
8.
8. Even or odd?
8 is
Even. Can you tell me why?
Because there's 4 groups of 2, and there's none left over.
Awesome job. Okay, how about this one?
7 is odd because it has 1 left over. So there's 3 groups of 2 and then there's 1 left over.
Can you show me with the manipulatives? Awesome.
There's 3 groups of 2 and 1 left over.
Wow, good job. Awesome job, class. So, tomorrow we'll be learning about even numbers. So we'll focus on more of the even numbers. So working on numbers that end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And can you guys, we're going to review our targets and see if we met them today. I will be able to know if a group of numbers is either even or odd. Do you think we got that target down today? Yeah? What about I'll be able to identify why a number is odd or even depending on the last number?
Yes.
Yes, you think so?
Mm-hmm.
I think so too. Good job, class.
Thanks, Miss Turner.